Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and green chilies, sautéing them until they become beautifully golden brown and fragrant. Then, stir in a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. This creates a rich, aromatic foundation for your Bhurji. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, just like a good meal, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for ultimate comfort and a lifetime warranty. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, pour the whisked eggs into the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Scramble them continuously until they are fully cooked and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 1 cup of cooked rice, ensuring it's well combined with the egg mixture. Finally, garnish your delicious rice egg Bhurji with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot for a satisfying meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.